concrete request for domestic violence restraining order. Restraining order meaning for I don't want with you, don't come with me. That's the restraining order. So even although the restraining order is usually a lot of people who get divorced persons, but anyone who doesn't want to meet, even if they are not married, can apply. Normally divorced person, but even not the divorced, anyone can apply for restraining order. In the case of divorce, it is best not to see each other because their feeling are worse and worse. That's the legally restraining order. Number one, you must also complete Form CLETS001, confidential information, and give it to the check when you file this request. Name of person asking for protection. Asking for protection mean I want asking me protection. My name, for example, Haworli, age, how many years? Your lawyer in this case, if you have one, if you have the lawyer's name, state bar name, number, form name, address, city, state, JIP, telephone number, fax, email address. Name of person you want protection from. Who protection from? My ex-husband, wife, or somebody. For example, number one, name of person asking in case that's a Haworli, and then number two is the other party of Haworli. Christopher, that's man. Elizabeth King. Description of person you want protection from. Sex, the other party, female. Height. For example, 6 feet. Weight, 70 or 60 pounds. Weight, 60 pounds. Height is the 5 feet 1 inch. Weight, 160 pounds. Hair color, brown. Eye color, black. Or hair color, black. Eye color, brown. Race, Asian. Age, something. Date of birth, some date. Address, if known. Address, if known meaning divorced person, I don't know his exact address. In case, if I don't remember, he be out my home because of we are divorced. In case, the last address, he and I live together, that's the address. doesn't matter. And then city state do you want to an order to protect family or household member? Not even me, even for the that person. I eat with my children in case my children also my child also, or my parents, my brother and sister. Do you want to order to protect family or household members? Yes. If yes, let this name, full name, for example, Steve H. Lee, sex, male, age 25, live with you? Yes. Relation to you, my brother. Or, and then, my son and daughter, my son, for almost for the similar name, first person, second person, relation to you. If you need more space, one more paper attaching back of this paper. So many person. Sometimes when we apply for the divorce, the other party is bad for the feeling. My father and mother, my sister and brother, he said he gonna do all of the person is trying to kill, and then name of all of them. And then number 4, what is your relationship to the person in two meaning for the other party. The other party, number 8, we are now married or registered domestic partner. Almost 90% is number 1. Or number B, we used to marry or registered domestic partner. Almost 60% is number 1, 40% is number 2. We live together, some have it. Number G, child's name, date of birth, something like that. Next page. That's restraining order, meaning I don't want me to, in case normally divorced person, even neighborhood, a lot of person is requested for the domestic, requested for the restraining order. Number 5, other restraining order and court cases. Are there any restraining or protective order currently in place or that have expired in the last 6 months? Emergency protective order, criminal, juvenile, family. B, have you or any other person named in number 3 being involved in another court case with the person in number 2? In case another court they apply for the restraining order because of they already divorced, and then different court is closed. First, divorced, nullity, legal separation. County or tribe will file, you are filed. case number or something. And the bottom, check the order you want. Number 6, personal conduct order. I ask the coach to order the person in number 2. Number 2 meaning the other party. In number 2, this one is even not married, just a domestic relationship is okay. Just no married, just leave it together. In case it's okay. Personal conduct order. I ask the coach to order the person in number 2 not to do the following things to me or anyone listed in number 3. A. Harass, attack, strike, threaten, assert. Assert is the sexually or otherwise. That's other assert. Hit, follow, stalk, molest, divorce, destroy personal, otherwise. Or black movement. B. Contact, either directly or indirectly in case of taking, but not including but not limited to by telephone, mail, or email or other electronic means. 헤어진 사람한테 얘기 좀 합시다. 왜요? 오늘 저녁에 만납시다. 만나가지고 나 리스닝 오더 할 거예요. I will file for the listening order. You do not talk to him. Just your opinion only. 7. Stay away order. Stay away meaning for the even somebody around the 7 feet. Around the 7 feet. But this number 7, stay away order. I ask the coach to order the person in number 2 to say at least 100 yards. That's the most important, 100 yards. 100 yards meaning 90 meters away from where? Me, from my home, from my job or working place, my vehicle, my school. Each person listed in number 3. Number 3, all my relationships. The children's school or child care. Other somebody. Other meaning for the some church or some places for entertainment. B. If the person listed in number 2 is ordered to stay away from all the places listed above, will be or able to get to his or her home, school, job, workplace, or vehicle. Yes or no. Next one. Number 8, move out order. Move out. He lives with me right now, but I hope you be up. If the person in number 2 lives with you and you want that person to stay away from your home, you must ask for this move out order. I ask the court order a person in number 2 move out from and not return to address. I have the right to live at the home address and because something for explain meaning for the I don't want to meet you him. I have a right to live at the above address because explain something. Next page. Guns or other firearm or ammunition. I believe the person in 2 owns, possess gun, firearm, or ammunition. Yes. I don't know if the judge proved the order. The person number in 2 will be ordered not to own, possess, purchase, or receive a firearm or ammunition. The person will be ordered to sell and or store a licensed gun or fall into law enforcement any guns or firearms. That's he or she owns or possess. He doesn't have any. He cannot keep the gun or any arms. Something. Number 10, record unlawful communication. Unlawful communication. I ask for the right to record the communication made to me by the person in number 2 that violate the judge's order. Yeah. The divorce in case judge says number 10, record unlawful communication. I ask for the right to record communication made to me by the person in 2 that violate the judge's order. California law is we cannot record the other party saying, but in case this restraining order, they can do the recording. 11, care of animal. I ask for the sole possession, care, and control of the animals listed below. I ask the court to order the persons in number 2, the other body, to stay at least 100 yards from not taken, sell, transfer, unencumbered, control, molest, attack, strike. Any care animal also, care of animal. I ask for the sole possession, care and control of the animal listed below. I ask the court to order the persons in 2 to stay at least 100 yards away from and not take, not take, wow, sleeping. And then next line, I ask for the animal to be with me because something. I carry my dog and cats, any other animal, bird, something. The other party, I don't want the other party taken. And then, after somebody come to me, receiving order, anyone, any person, any animal. 12. Child custody and visitation. A. I do not have a child custody or visitation order and I want one. I don't have any child. B. I have a child custody or visitation order and I want it changed. 상대방, the other parties go. And then 13, child support. I do not have a child support order and I want one. I do not have child support order and I want one. I have child support order and I want it changed. C. I now receive or have applied for 10 welfare, care work, or medical. If you ask for the child support, and then 14, property control. I ask the court to give only me temporary use, possession, and control of the property listed here. 위에 the paper says that number 13, child support. I do not have a child support order and I want one. B. I have a child support order and I want it changed. C. I now receive or have applied for 10 welfare, care works, or medical. If you ask for child support order, you must file out and attach form April 150, the common expense declaration, or form April 155 financial statement. This form is attached. Number 14, property control. I ask the court to give only me temporary use, possession, control of the property listed here. 이 내용을 신청하는 사람이 이런 다큐먼을 가지고 있다면, 이런 프로퍼티를 가지고 있다면 리퀘스트 할 수 있습니다. 리퀘스트 합니다. 리퀘스트. 15. Debt payment. I ask the court to order the person into to make this payment while order is in effect. check here. If you need more space, attach a sheet of paper and write DB 100, that payment for title. For example, pay to Bank of America for credit card amount $3,000, due date every fifth day for every month, something like that. That payment you should pay instead of me. Number 16, property restraint. Property, I am married to or have a registered domestic partnership with with the person into. Even not married or non-married, it doesn't matter. The other parties, I live with him, doesn't matter, you can ask him. I ask the judge to order that the person into not borrow against, sell, hide, or get rid of, or destroy any possessions or property, except in the usual course of business. 이제 우리가 request for property restraint something, the other party is asking answer. 17, spousal support. I am married to or have registered domestic partnership with the person into and no spouse support order exists. I ask the court to order the person into to pay spousal support. You must complete, file, and serve from April 150 income and expense declaration before your hearing. Okay, next page. Number 18. Right to move device and the wireless phone account. A. Property control of mobile device and wireless phone account. I ask the court to give only me temporary use, possession, and control of the following mobile device. Somebody and the wireless phone account. Any material wireless phone account for the following wireless phone number, because the account currently belongs to the person in number 2, including area code 213, my number, something like that. Number of child in my case. Next one is my number or child. Two child if we have two child phone number also. Child, then he cannot contact for the child person. Next one be debt payment. I ask the court to order the person into to make the payment for the wireless phone account listed in 18A, because if I pay for the wireless phone $100 per month, the other party, you should pay instead of me. Name of the wireless service provider, for example, for the T-Mobile or something, amount $100 per day per month, due date every 5 days, 5 days in every month. Wireless phone number listed in 18A to me because the account currently belongs to the person in 2. 2 meaning for the other party. If the judge make this order, you will be financially responsible for this account, including monthly because in case the judge make this order, you will be financially responsible for this account, including monthly service, fee and cost of any mobile device connected to this phone number. You may be responsible for other fee and cost of any mobile because connected to this telephone number. You may be responsible for order fee. You must contact the wireless service firm to find what fee you will be responsible for and whether you are eligible for an account. And number 19 is insurance. If I have the insurance, you should pay insurance fee. I ask the court to order the person in number 2 not to cash, borrow against, cancel, transfer, dispose of. If the other party has the insurance, beneficiary is me, no cancel. He should pay. Change the beneficiaries of any insurance coverage held for the benefit me or the person to or our child for when support may be ordered. Beneficiary my child or me, $1 million, he cannot cancel or change the beneficiary, or coverage $1 million is just $1,000. He cannot. Any insurance he should pay. 20. Lawyer's fee and cost. I ask that person to pay some or all my lawyer's fee and cost. You must complete, file, and serve Form FL 150 income and expense declaration before your hearing. That one is also attorney fee you should pay. That's not easy. Everything is he should pay the other parties. And payment and cost and service. Number 21. I ask the court to order the person to pay the following: medical care, counseling, temporary housing. One line. You can ask for last earning or your cost for service caused directly by the person in 2. Damaged property, medical care, counseling, temporary housing act. You must bring proof of this expense to your hearing. Pay to what company? For insurance. Amount $200 per month, something. 22. Bachelor intervention program. I ask the court to order the person listed to go to 52 weeks bachelor intervention program and show proof of completion of the course. 23. Other order. What other order are you asking for? For example, you should pay for my car payment, and then you should pay every month. I paid to my mom for mom is lived alone and she doesn't have any income, and every month I paid to $1,000. Even that one is also you should pay. That one is asked out of order. Next, page 24. Time for service. Time for service meaning, notice, the papers must be personally served on the person into at least 5 days before the hearing, unless the court ordered a short time for service. If you want there to be fewer than 5 days between service and the hearing, explain why below. For help, read from DV 200 information. Was proof of personal service something. 26. No fee to serve restrained person. If you want the sheriff or marshal to serve this document, this restrained person about order to fee, ask the court clerk what you need to do. Court clerk, marshal, they cannot charge this document. This document is day-free delivery. You need not delivery person. Marshal, sheriff can deliver free. The restrained person is so dangerous. Marshal, sheriff can deliver it instead of you. 26. Court hearing. The court will schedule the hearing on your request. If the judge does not make the order effective right away, temporary restraining order, the judge may still make the order after the hearing. If the judge does not make the order effective right away, you can ask the court to cancel hearing. Read from DV-112, waiver of hearing of denied request for temporary restraining order for more information. 27. Describe abuse. Describe how the person to abuse you. Abuse means intentionally or recklessly cause of attempt to cause body injury to you or to place you, another person, in reasonable fear of imminent serious bodily injury, or to harass, attack, strike, threaten, assert, sexually or otherwise, hit, follow, stalk, molest, keep you under surveillance, impersonate on the internet, electronic or otherwise, better telephone or contact you, or to disturb your peace, or to destroy your personal property. For a complete definition, date of most recent abuse. When he abused me, who was there? Describe how the person to abused you and your child. Check here if you need more space. Attach one more paper. Number 3, did the person into use or threaten to use a gun or any other weapon? No or yes. If yes, he has a gun. If yes, that's the order right away, that date. If you don't, he doesn't have any gun, he doesn't have any dangerous, not right away, in case after 1 month, the hearing date to make a decision. But he has the gun, and then you can get an order that day right away. describe any injury, even not injury, doesn't matter. Did the police come? Yes or no? For example, for the sometimes it's fine, police come. Did yes? If yes, did they give you a person into emergency protective order? Normally, police come to my house. Police is the emergency protective order. Yes, 3-day order. I don't know. Attach copy if you have one. The order protect you or the person in two. Police can give you the protective order. 3-day temporary protective order. In case, even 3 days, he should be out house. Number 27. Describe abuse. Has the person to abused you or you child or children other times? Date of abuse. Who was there? Describe how the person, number 2, abused you, hit or yelling your child. Check here if you need more space. One more paper. Number 3, did the person in number 2 use or threaten? Number 3, did the person in 2 use or threaten or use a gun or any other weapon? Yes or no? If yes, they can get an order right away. Normally, any other legal action, legal paper, if you go to the court number 1 or 2, that's justified. But the restraining order, meaning not the number 2, just that they judge room, directly go to the judge room and then make explanation. Here's the gun, and judge is right away stamp the restraining order from today. If not, judges say, okay, after 1 month, we get a hearing. That date you come, just to give the time. And then describe any injury. Number 5, did the police come? Yes or no? If yes, did they give you the person into an emergency protective order? Yes or no? I don't know. Attach a copy if you have one. The order protect you or the persons in 2. If the persons in 2 abused you other times, check here and use from DV 101, description of abuse, or describe any previous abuse on an attachment. Show a sheet of paper and wire DV 10, 100, previous abuse for a title. Other persons to be protected. The person listed in item 3 need an order to protection because something for my children, for my parents, for my brother and sister, all the persons listed on. Number of page attachment. If more the page, 1 more attachment. I declare on the penalty of perjury under the laws of the state of California that the information above is true and correct, date and signature. That's the restraining, applying for the restraining order for the ex-husband or ex-wife. When the divorce restraining order, we can apply. If applying for the restraining order, he cannot come to my house within 100 yards. If he come to within 100 yards, he should arrest. He should go to jail right away. You can call to the police 911. If you restrain order, police listed on that date. If you call your home phone or your mobile phone, that's 911. They have all the lists. He already filed for the restraining order. That's so important and so dangerous. If the other party restraining order, don't go, don't touch, even not telephone, email, or mobile phone, or letter, katok, anyone, any action, that's the illegal. In case should go to the jail, long period go to the jail, so dangerous. Don't slip. Time CH100, DB100 is the husband and wife, but CH100 is different person, not involved. They are not husband and wife, just a neighborhood, just an employee, just at the working place, doesn't matter. And any person request for civil harassment, restraining orders. Read count civil harassment, restraining order, help me. CH100 info. Before completing this form, also fill out confidential CLET's information form with the much information as you know. Number one, person seeking protection, almost a similar form. Person seeking protection, your full name, your name. For example, for the Elizabeth Kim, Elizabeth Sato, age 29, your lawyer, if you have a lawyer, some name and address. If not, person from whom protection is sought. Who doesn't want, I don't wanna who somebody come to me. Just a neighborhood. A few years ago, one person is applying for the this form, request for civil harassment restraining order. Just he's upstairs. He live upstairs. Upstairs, how he can not come? He should not come to the upstairs neighbor. In case, let's say order, the most important one is what's this? Don't come within 100 yards. But they live within 100 yards, they say they live. In case, how you can do it? Doesn't matter that they requested. Person from whom protection is sought, full name, Charles Kim, age 40, address, city, state, zip code, additional protected person, my child, my husband or wife, my family, full name and sex, age, how they relate to you, all my family, check here if there are more person. If the more person, one more paper attaching, and then B, why do these people need protection? Explain below. He sometimes you see he wanna fight with me almost every day. Something he yelling me. In case, check here. If there is not enough space for your answer, put your complete answer on the attached sheet of paper or from MC025 and write attachment 3B why all need protection for title. Next page. Relationship of parties. How do you know the person? Number 2. How I know? Explain below. Check here. If there not enough space for your answer, put your complete answer on the attached sheet of paper of form MC025 and write attachment 4. How do I know? He's my neighborhood, or he was my friend, or he was my former boyfriend or former girlfriend, and then he yelled at me. And then he come to my house. He come to my working place. Just he wants some harassment. In case, simple story to write down. Venue meaning it's any place. Why are you filing in this county? In this county. A, the person to live in this county. Normally, it's right. I was harassed by the person in this county. When I go to the library, this place, but he comes to my library and then yelling and harassment in case or other. Number 6, other court cases. Have you or any of the person named in 3 been involved in another court case with the person? Number 3, any other person, any other my relation, my wife, husband, and my children? Yes or no? If yes, check each kind of case and indicate where or when each are filed. Number 1, civil harassment. Number 2, domestic violence. Domestic violence meaning he or she lived with me without the marriage, and then after that he harassment, that in case domestic violence. And divorced, nullity, legal separation. We were all together, but after divorce he harassment, he yelled at me. And then paternity, parentage, child custody, and then elder, defendant, adult abuse, and then eviction meaning for the I lived that apartment, and then he was a manager or he was the owner. After that, you should pay more money. That the house is too dirty. You should pay for the cleanup fee, something like that. In case for the eviction. Number 7, guardianship. Guardianship is I was lived his house. He's my guardian. After that, he yelled at me. Workplace violence, workplace. I won his place. Small claim. Small claim meaning for the he won the small claim. And then after that, give me the money. If not, some lien or something like that. Even he won the case, even he got a judgment, not harassment. If he do just a lien or something, give me the money. I have the judge. If not give the money, I will lawsuit again or something like that. That's the harassment. Even any judgment, any other places, any permit, he cannot harassment, criminal, other, something like that. Are there now any protective or restraining order effectively relating to you or any of the persons in 3 and the person 2? No, yes. Description harassment. What kind of harassment? Harassment means violence or threat of violence against you, or of the causes of conduct that seriously alarm, annoy, or harass you and cause to you substantial emotional distress. A cause of conduct is more than one act. Tell the court about the last time the person in 2 harassed you. When did it happen? Some date, some times. Provide a date and estimate date. Who was there? Who was there meaning for any other witness? Witness you have put right down. If not, it doesn't matter. It's okay. Even he is my former boyfriend, ex-boyfriend. We loved at that time. After that, we parted from I don't want to come to my place. He come my place, my school, or my house, something like that. I still love you. I still wanna with you, something like that. I know I don't want him. I love it. I like it, something like that. That's the harassment. In case you can do it. Next page. Check the order you want. Number 8. Personal conduct order. Personal conduct order meaning for the he and I. Some order. I ask the court to order the person, number 2, the other party, not to do any of the following things to me or to any person to me. Protected listed in number 3. Don't, number 8, harass. Don't intimidate. Don't molest, attack, strike, stalk, threaten, assert sexually or otherwise, hit, abuse, destroy personal property of or any disturb of a piece of the person. This one is you don't do it. B. Contact the person either directly or indirectly. Directly, he comes to the personally. Indirectly, he sent me the email or a letter or something. In any way, including but not limited to. In person, by telephone, in writing, by public or private mail, by inter-office, internet mail or something, email, by text messaging, by fax, or by other electronic matter. Any matter, do not contact with me. C. Other. Check here if there is not enough space for your answer. Put your complete answer on the attached sheet of paper or some MC025 with right attached. And C. Other personal conduct order for the title. Personal conduct any other way, meaning he sent me that, he tell me that my friend, and then you contact us instead of me something. He's a friend of my friend, contact, and then I wanna meet him, meet him something, he her something. In case of any other way, he cannot contact with me. The person in 2 will be ordered not to take any action to get the addresses or location of any protected person unless the code to find good cause not to make the order. Stay away order. Stay away meaning I ask the code to order the person to stay at least 100 yards away from. Within 100 yards, don't come. Number 1, me. The other persons listed in. Other person meaning listed in meaning my husband and wife or children, my home, my job or workplace, my school, my children's school, my children's place of child care, my vehicle, other something. Other meaning when I go to the church, he come to the church something. That one, stay away order. B. If the code to order the person in 2 to stay away from all the places listed above, will he or she still be able to get to his or her home, school, or job? Yes. Check here. If there is not enough space, if need more space, one more paper attachment. Number 10. Gun or other firearms and ammunition. Yes. If yes, they can get an order right away. If not the hurry. In case after 1 month's hearing. And then even hearing, he come to the hearing. He say, I wanna with her, I'm still love her. What do you say? What the judge, what do you say? Do not, he won, she won, doesn't meet you, the restraining order. Do not come within 100 yards. But he say, Your Honor, I'm still love her. I wanna meet her. And then judge, what do you say? What think about it? Why? Judges don't come 100 within the 100 yards. What did he say? Your Honor, I'm still love. I'm not harassment. Just to meet, just to wanna see her. Judge say, what judge gonna say? You don't have any idea?
If you love her, why you hurt her?
Huh?
If you love her, why do you hurt her?
Yeah. So simple. I'm still love her. I wanna meet her. Judge say, no, the other party doesn't want you. Do not come. Even you love, even you see her, No, the other party doesn't want. Do not come. Any reason, no reason, do not come. No reason. A lot of person said, oh, Julie, I still love you. No, I don't want. I'm not disturb you. I'm just to see you. No, I don't want. If you're trying to see me, that is disturb. No reason. And then, if the judge grants protective order, the person in two will be prohibited from learning, possessing, receiving, or attempting to purchase or will receive the gun, other firearm, and ammunition, while the protective order is ineffective. The person number two will also be ordered, be turned in a law enforcement, or sell to store with a licensed gun dealer any gun firearm within his or her immediate possession or control. If he has the arm, he should sell right away to a licensed store, and then he should show that the evidence he is selling. If he not selling, that's my hobby. I go to the hunting, not sell, he should go to the jail. That's important, just important. Next page, number 11. Temporary restraining order. I request a temporary restraining order, that's the meaning TRO, be issued against the person in two to last until the hearing. I am presenting from CH-110 temporary restraining order for the court signature together with this request has the person in two being told that you were going to the court to seek TRO against him, her. That one is also, if he come to, the other party come to the court, I should meet her. Judge say, long story, no. Anyone, the other party doesn't want you. Oh, Your Honor, this is a freedom country. I wanna meet her, I wanna go to her house, something. No, the other party doesn't want. That's the important. The other party, in case, need not go to the court. Even though any court go to, I wanna meet her. No, the other party doesn't want. And then, number 12, request to give less than 5 days notice of hearing. You must have your papers personally served on the person in two at least 5 days before the hearing, unless the court order shorter time for service. Explain what is proof of personal service. Form CH-200, proof of personal service may be used to show the court that the papers have been served. If you want there to be fewer than 5 days between service and the hearing, explain why below. That's the within 5 days, this document should send to the other party. The other party say, no, I didn't know that. He didn't send me any document. In case, no, 5 days should send it. Number 13, no fee or filing or service. That's important. This applying for, there should be filing fee because the person too has used to threaten to use violence against me. had struck me and the acted or spoken in some other way that makes me possibility, reasonability, fear violence. Number B, the sheriff or marshal should serve, notify the person in two about the order for free because my request for order in based on unlawful violence, credible threat or violence or stalking. This restraining order, I didn't know that. No. Marshal, sheriff is free delivery. Court, I apply for the court. Oh, I don't have any court fee. No, court fee is free. Everything is free. Number C, there should be no filing fee, and the sheriff's marshal should serve the paper in two for free because I am entitled to fee waivers, something like that. That's so important. You should remember, I don't want meet him, meet her. She called, or he called every night. He sent me the telephone, email, or something like that, in case you should filing for the temporary restraining order. And then after that, he sent again, he should go to jail. How many days jail? We think, if I file for the restraining order, and then he still comes to his talking, he comes to for the place. Do you think how many days did he go to the jail? 1 month? No. 3 years. And in the United States, I don't want with you. Oh, still, I love you. I don't come, still don't come. Oh, I love you. I'm gonna file for the restraining order. You go to jail 3 years. Oh, too terrible, too terrible. You should do. Lawyer fee and cost. How much for the lawyer fee is something? Lawyer fee is saying not free. Lawyer fee is not free, but not much charge. Next to page 15. Possession or protection of animal. Animal also. I ask the court to order the following: that I be given the sole possession, care, and control of the animal listed below, which I own, possess, lease, keep, or hold, each reside in my household. For example, for the when I live together, we have one dog, and after that, he says, a dog is, I want to take him. I think, no, I don't want him. And he do not take him. I request the sole possession of the animal because of specified good cause for granting order. Number B, check here if there is not enough space. For example, one more paper. That is, a person in two must stay at least 100 yards. 100 yards don't come. And not take, sell, transfer, encumber, conceal, molest, attack, stalk, strike, threaten, harm, or otherwise dispose of animal listed below. 16. Additional order requested. If I need more than any action, put right here. Number 17. number of page attached
One, 아니요.
to the form is any something.
X가
Lawyer's name, my name, sign on the paper. That's all. In case restraining order, request for domestic violence restraining order, or any other person's restraining order, most of them you can use it. That's so important. So important. You can do it. Did you understand that the restraining order? Yeah, that's so important. You don't, somebody annoyed you, you can file restraining order. That's so important. In the United States, anyone don't disturb me. Any person, even ex-husband, ex-wife, don't. A lot of persons say, "Oh, I'm still, I wanna die." Why? My ex-husband is annoying me, disturbing me. No, that's crazy. If you want, either one, with him or her, you file for the restraining order. That's easy. Not the restraining order can make a decision one day. And then